Alright, today's project is replacing the heater hoses on a 1985 Chevy van, and it has the Chevy 350 motor. Alright, I just pulled the doghouse off, the air cleaner, and if you reach in here you can see this radiator hose right here is leaking. See it right there. It was just pissing and bubbling. You can see all the antifreeze that squirted out everywhere. So let's see, what can I tell you about it? Ooh, a vacuum leak. I think I came in here, so I need vacuum hose and heater hose. So if you touch this hose, you know it's bad. It's like all soft and rubbery, and it feels like bubble gum almost. So if the heater hoses are that old, I need to go through here and see what else is all rubbery. Like this vacuum line right here looks all rubbery. So I should just buy, 5 feet of vacuum line and, a bunch of heater hose. And these radiator hoses feel a little soft too. Since I've got something I'm going to tear into it, I might as well do it right. I don't want this thing to have to break into this thing again. Okay, so that's the fun project for today. And I'll show you the outside of the truck. It's nice. It's an old U-Haul truck. Say hi, Kiva. It's a Chevy 1-ton van. Luckily yesterday when it blew a hose, I happened to be somewhere where I could fill it up with water, but you could just smell the stink of antifreeze inside the van, so I knew there was something wrong. And oh, this is easy. Look at this. So the hose I'm replacing is this really long one here, and there's one short one that just goes from here to the firewall, and it's only 10 inches long or something. And then the top hose, it feels pretty good from out here. But if you grab them, this thing is just soft, like chewed up bubble gum. It's time for that thing to get replaced. Okay, well, I can do a video of me putting it back in, but it's pretty easy. There's just a hose clamp on both sides. You just cut this out, you measure it, look for the length, and just tell AutoZone to sell you 2.5 feet of and it'll be marked on it. This is probably a 3/4 inch hose, and this is, or 5/8 and 3/4. Usually one's bigger than the other. Okay, easy fix for this old van. All right, have a good day. See you later. Bye.